In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to collapse your Trello board lists so you can keep your workspace clean, organized, and easier to navigate. If you're working on large projects or managing multiple tasks, your Trello board can quickly become crowded with long lists that take up a lot of space. Collapsing lists is a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference in staying focused and productive. I'll walk you through step by step how to do it, including a quick keyboard shortcut that will save you even more time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tips. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the Trello board you want to update. Log into your Trello account and open the specific board where your lists are located. This could be a project board, a content calendar, a marketing plan, or any workflow you're managing. Once you're inside the board, you'll see all your lists laid out horizontally across the screen. Depending on how many lists you have, you might need to scroll left or right to view them all. Now, choose the list that you want to collapse. At the top of each list, you'll see the list title along with a small menu icon. Trello includes a built-in collapse button that allows you to minimize that entire list with a single click. Click on the Collapse List button at the top of the list. As soon as you click it, the list will shrink down into a compact vertical bar showing only the list title. This helps reduce clutter and gives you more room to focus on the lists that matter most right now. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to work faster, there's an even quicker way to do this. First, click anywhere inside the list you want to collapse so it's selected. Then press the // key on your keyboard. Instantly, the list will collapse without needing to click the button manually. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple lists and want to quickly tidy up your board in seconds. You can repeat this process for as many lists as you like. Collapse older lists, completed task lists, or sections you don't need to see constantly. When you're ready to expand a list again, simply click on the Collapse List bar, and Trello will restore it to its full view with all the cards visible. Using collapse lists is a great way to create a cleaner visual workflow. For example, you might keep your to-do and in-progress lists expanded while collapsing completed or archived style lists. This keeps your attention on active work while still keeping everything accessible. And that's it. That's how you collapse your Trello board lists quickly and efficiently. It's a small feature, but once you start using it, you'll notice how much more organized your boards feel. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.